And this is the result that you will get by using this method in order to create your story highlight covers. Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you exactly how you can create those type of stories highlight covers for your Instagram page, because it's very beautiful, it's very aesthetic to see those type of images on the story highlights, because you can have a car, you can have food, you can have travel, you can have friends, dog, whatever you want. But if you just have a normal picture, or maybe a picture that is very little and you don't see the details and all those stuff, it's better to put some covers inside story highlights, so you will be sure 100% to have a good looking Instagram page, and for every single person that lands on your Instagram profile, they will easily see the type of stories that you have into your profile. So they will be more likely to follow your page, they will be more likely to watch your stories. And today I have here two ways, both are free, on how you can create the best story highlight covers from just a computer or just from your phone. The first strategy is the most simple, but is not something that you can customize. So the first one is just simply go on Google and write Instagram stories highlight covers, and from there, as you can see on the screen, you will find a ton of images where there is a circle with an icon in different styles, with different color, different designs, and you can just simply, very simply save that image and then go on Instagram and open the story highlight cover from that picture. So pretty much you crop the circle that you want and you put it as a story highlight. And don't worry too much about the resolution of the image, because it's very tiny, the circle inside story highlight in Instagram. So there will not be problems with resolution. And by doing that, you can choose between thousands and thousands of icons in different styles. My advice to you is to keep the same style, the same package for every single story. Don't have something red and then something gold and then something purple. Have, for example, everything pink or everything black and white. So by following that, you will have a very aesthetic profile. And this is very simple, anyone can do it, and you just simply go to Google and look for those type of covers. Save the image and then go on Instagram and upload the image on that cover. And the second way is where you can customize your own icon, because not everybody can find what they're looking for inside Google, or maybe they don't like something. Okay, this is the best way on how you can create something customized. So the first thing is to go on canva.com. On this website, you open a new project. For example, it can be 500 for 500. So you will have a really good resolution for that tiny icon, and then just create, for example, a background black and then add an icon on white, as you can see on the screen. And by doing that, you can simply export and save the picture into your phone from your computer, or even you can download the app from App Store or Play Store and do it directly on your phone by using the software Canva. And then from there, you just go on Instagram on the story highlight cover section and you upload your picture. And by doing that, as you can see, you will have your own customized icon on Instagram story highlight. And it's very easy and anyone can do it. And if you already have a good Instagram, or if you want to make money from your Instagram page, watch this next video right here where I show you the top 5 ways on how you can earn money from Instagram. It's very easy. I see you there.